live with us in the palace. There's a room waiting for you. Just let us adore you.
I did it. I'm here at the Stone Fork or Salt Fork. Stone Fork. And Mara? Mara! Come here, Mara. What are you looking at? Down there is where Mia was here and wouldn't come to me on camera down there. Whatever they saw, they booked it this way and wouldn't come back to me. So I don't know what that was about. Is that a light right there? What is that? Is that what she's looking at? No, there's two. What is that the fire reflecting? Guys, I don't know. I think it's the fire. I hope there's three now. That's crazy. I gotta get the light on. Alright. I'm not gonna go far. I'm gonna walk up and back down. This is where I was hearing noises earlier today. No frogs, no crickets, no nothing. Metal. I heard metal clank. Right there. Oh god, it's so nervous. It's quiet. Okay, as soon as I said that, I just heard movement, dude. So this is about the point, I think. To, there's no wind except for now. Like, what? I got two between me. I got one in front of me. Just through the whole tree. Huh? Look what I found. Look. Hi. Hi. This is where she flew down. Oh my god, I'm freaked. I'm going back. I gotta check on him. I can't do it. Hate me later. Hello, my name's Dee. If I'm invading your area, I can leave. I just picked a really secluded area and thought, hey, why not? That late, but I'm nervous. I'm a nervous Nelly. Stop. I just heard metal again. It sounded like a door shutting, a loud boom. But metal scraping. How long is the story? It's not that long. Okay. My cousins live in North Dakota, and I spent the winter break their freshman year in college. We were at their friend's house at night, drinking in her basement with some other girls, and it was really then more open land, and I was Stop. Hey! Woo! La, 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 la. Get away from me. If you're near my tent, please leave.